Hey guys, DarlingtonFarm here. Yeah, it's been one of those days. Anyway, so missed getting out a video there on Wednesday. I have been working some horrendous hours this last week. I put in like 105 hours in the last 7 days. I took today off, and well, I took today off in the sense I have to deliver that bottle rack that I built and do a few other things like that. And yeah, I called, or got a frantic email this morning that I got to run and fix a pasteurizer and a flow plate tomorrow. So it's a different facility, so it just sucks. My tools are 2 hours in one direction, and this place is 3 hours in the other direction. So yeah, I've been slowly building up a second set of tools, and I think somebody commented on there, why the hell would you buy another DC welder? Like, do you just like spending money? And yeah, it's basically so I can have one set of tools that lives in a Pelican case in my car that I don't have to worry about, not raiding stuff out of. So when I have to drive 4 hours away from my tools, or 5 hours away from my tools, I have tools. Anyway, I'll put some pictures and videos in here of what I've been up to. Alright, so a huge part of this job is just finding parts. I just found the shorty version of this fitting here like an hour ago, and I can't find it now. I found a tube of them, and I was like, oh, I should remember there, there's a tube of those in here somewhere. And for the life of me, now that I need one, so basically, yeah, a big part of this gig is just, knowing where parts are and being able to, bodge something together that's sanitary to make work. I built a big platform, which is hilarious. They already hit it with a forklift and bent it, so I got to fix that one. So that big platform there that I built has already been smacked with a forklift. Built some bumpers to go around it. There's another, you know, that one picture there of the weird looking triangular thing. That's a set of stairs that goes up against that. And that guy's basically like a big ass 40 horsepower blender. It's a high shear homogenizer, I think it's called. Anyway, yeah, it's been a good project, a lot of hours, and I'm absolutely exhausted, and I'm trying to figure out today what the hell I got to do tomorrow, whether I go back there or take the day off or what I'm doing. What else is going on there? Oh yeah, that Milwaukee area light thing there. If you do tank work, that thing is awesome. You can stick it in there, it doesn't blind you, and just kind of like lights the whole place up. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, I guess I should put the camera down here and pay attention to the road. I got to drive down to Indy to deliver this bottle rack here and pick up some other stuff that they had cut up and, you know, wanted welded out there, and maybe pick up my Dynasty. I guess I don't think I mentioned that in one of the other videos there, or I mentioned that I got my Dynasty back from the place down in Indy there, Cox Equipment. They fixed it. And anyway, you know, it lights up, the green output or the blue output light comes on, and I took it up there to the place where I'm working to, you know, give it a try, put some arrows on it, make sure it was going to be good, and it doesn't work. Like it, you know, there's no open circuit voltage, no output, and so I took it to, I forget the name of the welder repair just down the road from me here. Kind of you know, looks like a lot like my place. It's just out in some guy's barn, and he seemed like a good dude. And anyway, hopefully he actually gets it working. We'll give you guys an update when I get the Dynasty back here. Anyway, yeah, I should put down the camera and deal with Friday afternoon traffic driving to Indianapolis, which is gonna be real fun.